So, so today I decided to look at this my dinner. This is so remember I bought this just days ago, 2 weeks ago. I forgot it. So today there is a public holiday, which is 27th of September 2023. So I decided let me use this opportunity to mount the exhaust. So this is the old one. This is the pot, whatever it's called. So you can see done so many works here. This pipe has rusted badly. All this one I've been trying to repair it. You can see. For this place, I know I've welded it so many times. Keep breaking, weld it again, keep breaking, so I gave up. So you can see on the old one, see the one that I've done. You can see this one too. So that's why I started to get this. So as it is now, I can't just use that clamp to put on this one, so just have to weld it back as well. It's not always easily available, so I just have to live with what I can find. So that is it. So work will start and now see where it goes. Kaya, hello. Kaya, no, it's not. So and actually left park the car for a while now because of this. So it's over enough now and use this car thereabout. So as soon as this is completed, we'll see. The sound will change. This sound has been very loud for years now. I'm talking about 2015, 20. Yeah, you can start. Up to around 2015 actually, but we can't deal with this issue. And we start for it. I will find, I will give up, I will make another attempt. So hopefully this will give it a permanent fix. Alright, give me that. This one, yeah, but however, there was something this web suggested to me, which I eventually decided to go for. To get a Japanese bracket here, so that there won't be need for us to weld this side, the one that goes to the catalyst, to weld it permanently. So anytime we want to remove the exhaust, we need to start cutting it. So there's a joint here. I think according to his said, I only get this from Japanese guy. So what they use one, the only downside is most times if you put gasket, because this one comes with gasket in the middle, it might be leaking. So you have to keep changing until you see gasket that will make it work. Some they will make it work. So at least it will make it much easier next time if I need to remove my exhaust. So all I need to do is just come here, move this one, and then separate, pull this one out, do whatever I need to do, and put it back. Maybe in future, if I will need to change this spot in future, then I probably might do the same thing here. We'll see. But at least That's a better solution. As long as I don't have issue with here leaking all the time. We'll see. Like I said, there's always a permanent solution. If it start leaking and I try to change the gasket inside in the middle of it and they keep doing that, just like I did the other one, just went it permanently and leave it there. But I don't think it will come to that. I don't think so. So what will remain now is to mount it and then the welding. Of course, you have to weld this side to the one that comes from the engine. So the results have been mounted. As you can see, the engine is running. So this is here. There is no leakage up to the rear. Let me show you guys. So this is the work. So no more. So you can see the heat exchanger. The exhaust is far from it, so it didn't get close. So that takes care of. There's always a concern for 406. If you bring down your 406 exhaust or do any work on your exhaust, make sure this exhaust pipe doesn't get close to that heat shield. If you get close to it, it will shift it upward and may burn and touch your exhaust port. No, your fuel tank. So it's really a neat job, and the airport is also well positioned. So before now, the car will always sound very high. Okay, so that's the end. So let's call it a day. It was a good job though.